Hey everyone, quick update on some of the things I'm working on my car. You can see here that I am working on refinishing the handbrake. I've got it all disassembled. I'm ready to start cleaning up and then I'll paint it. I'm thinking maybe some hammerite finish on the handle there. I recently repainted the flywheel cover, and it's just semi-gloss black paint, so that'll be ready to go on real shortly. And then over here I'm going to work on refinishing the shroud right here. You can see that it's definitely been seen better days. I think it got a big sunburn and it's cracked all the way through at the screw area. So what I did was I used plastic glue to glue it back together. I put 2 layers of fiberglass in there, and then I'm gonna think I'll put some Bondo and smooth it up, sand it off, and then paint it. Probably that same semi-gloss black. I think that'll turn out real nice. And then I will probably polish maybe that plastic, or maybe it's good enough. It cleaned up okay. I think that about wraps it up. I'll talk to you guys later.